night, so we're starting to bring out the plants. Some of these didn't do well. We didn't get the greenhouse done in time, so we didn't get them brought out here, but these are going to probably come back. We'll see what we can do with these. Okay, here they all are. Here's all the plants out here. So that's what our tornado sirens sound like. And then for the next probably 5 minutes or so, you'll hear coyotes off in the distance and people's dogs and all kinds of stuff howling. Okay, so it is finally time to start repotting these plants. Some of these are not going to come back, unfortunately, but then some of them will. So I'm gonna be potting up the ones that I know that are going to come back. Some of these didn't do as well as others. The bird of paradise, the thing is, I don't know, that might come back. I've seen it, those do different things different times, so we're going to see what happens with that. But some of these I know for sure did not make it, so I'm going to sift through those. We're going to fill up the wheelbarrow with the compost, the stuff left over, and then go add that to the garden. And then the new potted plants, we'll put some of them out here, and then some we're going to put over by the pond. So let's get started. So we've had this sago for many years. It doesn't ever really get bigger, but it stays about this size and keeps coming back every year. But this past year, a begonia somehow started growing in it. I don't know if they spread seeds. I don't know what happened. I'm going to try to save this begonia with it. And then you end up with a whole bunch of baby aloes. So I've got, you know, 8 more plants here that will all become that. So it's kind of neat. Alright, let's see if we can do this. This would have been better, you know, 2 people, but I'd probably lose less of the dirt too, but that's okay. We got most of it down here. So I've cut all this back on this bird of paradise. We'll see if this comes back. There's still a little bit of green. You know, this leaf is still in pretty good shape. It's just falling over, but a lot of this other stuff was just already had died back. So I cut it off, and we'll see if this thing comes back, and we'll treat it as though it is going to come back. Look at this chucker laying down like it's dead. Hey, you sleeping? Yeah? Okay, so here is the repotted stuff, and I'm going to water these really well. So some of that stuff I ended up, you know, with some extra pots over here. Some of that stuff didn't make it. That was to be expected. So here's the bird of paradise. Here's the original sago. This sago is about 2 years old. That'll come back. These little things on the top right here, these are going to come out and make new branches. Those other ones will fall off. Got this lily cleaned up. And some new aloe plants started. So we're going to add, of course, we'll need to refresh these Boston ferns, probably get some new Boston ferns to go in there. And these muscadines and scuppernines are already starting to come out. So this stuff in just a month or so, this stuff will all be looking great.